What's up guys? For today's video, we're going to unbox a Generation 6 6 kilowatt Solis hybrid inverter. I believe this is the latest version of the Solis, and if you're looking into buying one of these inverters for your solar project or your home DIY project, we will try to unbox this and we will try to show you what's inside of the inverter. What's inside the inverter, what's inside of the box, and what to expect when you're buying this kind of inverter. Let's start. We've opened the box and we will show you what's inside the inverter box, what to expect. Okay, so when you see this is this is an inverter bracket. Clearly you have an arrow up. This means you install the inverters that way. That's right. Same as the 16 kilowatt, you also have a quick install guide. And some accessories here. Those are the accessories. Here is the Wi-Fi dongle, Wi-Fi stick. This one is used to connect the inverter to the web, internet. This one is the CT sensor. CT. You can see it's significantly smaller than the 16 kilowatt model, of course, because you'll be installing this for loads with smaller wires and smaller things, electrical wiring too. This is the inverter inside the box, this one. Now we will remove this inverter and that we will show you what's inside the connections of the inverter. Okay, so we managed to take the inverter off of its box, and I forgot to mention it has a communication cable. Of course, this will communicate from, okay. It's a communication cable for parallel operation. You see? PA-PB, parallel A, parallel B. This is only used when you use this inverter with parallel inverters. Okay, so right up front, you see the in front of the inverter. I already see this kind of screen on the 16 kilowatt model. Now it's on the 6. This is a really good upgrade for the Solis brand inverter. You have a good online monitoring system, and now you also have a really good screen with a good size. I believe this is a really clear screen. Basically, everything's the same. Can you take a video here? This inverter will be used for our client, Mr. Nald from Palumpun. Here, at the lower part, you'll see two MPPT inputs. Both are separate. These are not in parallel. These are separate connections. Two. You may place one set and another set of panels. There are many connection ports here. You'll see COM 1, 2, 3. We will know what's inside when we open this inverter. Smart load and generator input. This one is the backup output when you have a power outage, the power will come through here. This is the on-grid input. Of course, when you use this inverter with an on-grid application. And this one is the battery input. You also have a fan. This is a good design. I like this design. For the 6 kilowatt model, they already have a fan. You also have a heat sink at the sides, this one. And the fan is a really good addition. This one is what I like about the Generation 6 Solis. They have a fan for the 6 kilowatt. Okay, so we'll try to open this up so you will see what's inside of the inverter.
Queen, we can ride to the moon in your space machine. You get me in the mood.
Here we will show you what's inside of the Solis 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter, the Generation 6. This is the parallel port here. I don't see a BMS. Now, this is the BMS port. You connect the battery here. It can't be seen from this angle, but I can see there's a lettering on the motherboard. So do not forget, never connect your battery communication to any of these ports. It will damage your battery. Once you connect your battery communication to any of these ports and not the BMS port, it will automatically damage your battery and will void your warranty. Now this is where is the CT? Here. It's a really clear sign. Put the CT here. CT sensor, the one that we have. And this is the input and the output ports. Generator, if you have an existing on-grid inverter, microgrid inverter, or a generator that you may want to connect together with this inverter, you put it here and you set it in the settings. Backup port, line, neutral, grounding. This is where the output of your inverter comes out to 30 volts if there's a power outage. You get a 230 here. Output. This is the on-grid port. When you use this inverter on an on-grid setting, of course, you connect it here. This is the MPPT connections for your inverter. You see here, there's something here. This is the switch of your MPPT. This one. So even though you turn on the inverter, if you don't turn on the switch, your solar panels will not work with this inverter. You have to turn this on so that your solar panels will give power going inside the inverter. Of course, this is the battery port. Positive, negative. There is no switch outside of the inverter. I assume when you connect power to the inverter, if this will sense power, automatically this will turn on. And that's, oh, sorry. There's an on-off switch here. There's an on-off switch here. You have to turn this on. If you forget to turn this on, and if you forget to turn this switch dial, this inverter will not work. So that's basically it. Everything is discussed. If you don't know how to install this, you can contact us. We can install this for you or your local solar installer. We can ship this anywhere in the Philippines at distribution price. Thank you.